Welcome. Today, let me display my project which I had done for an hackathon of Google developers. I hope you like this. So, first I will introduce what are the frameworks I used. I used Basics HTML5 for the front end and JavaScript and CSS, normal CSS. Then for backend I used FastAPI, and for database I am using MongoDB. There are some features like additional which I used the APIs of Gemini. So I hope you are interested to watch the project. Let me display every feature of the project in front of you. For the source code you can contact me by subscribing me. Let's start and watch what are the features available inside the project. So this is the starting page you will be displayed. Here you can see some of the features of the app or web. The About Us page contains the details of the developers and the features of our platform, like the teachers portal where teachers have their own dashboard and quiz system, and they can also view the particular students report and attendance tracking and Excel report of the attendance, whereas student can join the classroom, attempt the quizzes and monitor their progress and also give feedback to the teachers. This is the contact page. Coming back to the teachers side, let's visit the teachers portal. Let me visit inside with the ID that I have created at ram@gmail.com and his password. Let me log in. This is the teacher's dashboard where there are several features for the teacher. Let me toggle for you so it will be clear and visible properly. Creating a classroom. A teacher can create their own classroom by their teacher ID and the subject name. The teacher ID will be available in their profile page where they can get their teacher ID. Also, there are features where they can see their graduation details and subjects. By editing the details into the page, we can upload it like it was not available before. Let me feed in and show you. Let me enter all the details and save the change. Let me enter something. Okay. I will be adding some details like DBMS, DDCO and ADA. Coming back to skills, I will add skills such as AI, then let me add ML and save the change. The profile is being updated. Now you can see that the profile has been updated. The teacher ID useful to create the classroom. Managing the classroom. You can see that these are the Python and Maths, the subjects created by the teacher. Creating a new quiz. Teacher can create a quiz which will be globally available for students to attempt and improve their knowledge. We can specify by filtering the level of quiz and the students who are going to attempt that. Then the quiz title. Let me take for example for now, I will take something like DBMS for second year. I will add the description as all the best students. You can add anything like the details of the quizzes. Let me add the question, what is DBMS? This is very user-friendly UI for teachers where they can create a quiz without any effort by just adding the question and option and selecting the correct answer which they are given. What is DBMS? First, let me add the correct answer. Database Management System. Ignore my spellings, I am little weak in that. File management or else file system. The next I'll take as file database manipulation. Then let me add the fourth option as database manufacture system. Then nothing. I have to just select the correct option based on the quizzes I have created. I can also add many more questions by just pressing add questions below. I have selected the first option as the correct and submitting the quiz. The quiz with one question has been submitted. Now coming back to managing the quizzes. Here I can see that total number of quizzes I have created as a teacher, and if I want I can edit and also delete the quizzes which are being old and which are not in use. Coming back to view student progress. This is like the classrooms created by me. When I click on the Python, these are the students who have joined my classroom. There are many students. Inside that, if I want to see a particular student's progress, I will click on the particular student, like I will be seeing my Prajwal result as a teacher. As a teacher can view every student's progress. Now, the 20 questions are attempted by Prajwal, and where he has answered only 5 correct answers, and this is the graph of his week. And for what are the questions he has answered wrong, he will be given the feedback, what improvement tips he should be getting from the app, on which area he should focus more. Coming back to the next part of the app for the teacher side, taking attendance. Taking attendance will be a long process manually. This is a user-friendly where teacher can mark absent if the student is not present in the classroom and save the attendance. The attendance will be saved for the particular date and the recorded. Teacher can not only take the attendance but can view the attendance whenever they want. The total number of classes taken by the number of students present in the class. If the teacher want to give the attendance for a particular reason, teacher can just increase the attendance of the student and save the change. The attendance for that student will be increased there itself. Exporting the student's Excel report. In the Excel report, the student's attendance will be exported. I will open the Excel sheet now. You can see that the downloaded Excel sheet is visible, where the student ID, student's name, and total number of classes taken and the present classes with the percentage of attendance will be displayed. Okay, let me close this and I will show the other features of the app. Coming back to feedback. Review the feedback. The teachers are awarded with ratings based on their teachings and quizzes. Students can rate the teacher like from the rating from 1 to 5. The average rating will be calculated and displayed on the teacher's dashboard. So these were the features for the teacher. Let me come out and introduce you to the student side. Taking back to the student portal, let me log in my own prajwalganiga06@gmail.com and my password, and let me dive into the student dashboard. Here, this is the student dashboard where he can view his profile. There is a student ID which is very much required for student for doing any activities in this website. All the results, everything will be stored based on your student ID. Let me take my student ID. Here is the option to join the classroom. I can join the classroom by my student ID and the classroom code provided by the teacher. Now Python is the classroom I have joined from the teacher I got by Ram Kapoor. Coming back to the dashboard, there is an option called as attempt quiz. When I click on that, there are many quizzes created by different teachers which are globally available for students to attempt. If I want a specific type of quizzes, I can filter it based on my needs. Easy level based on the engineering level. There is a quiz created by Ram Kapoor DBMS. I will paste my student ID and verify myself. Now this is the question created by the teacher. For your sake, I will be answering the answer wrong now, so that you get to see what will happen if I answer wrong. See, my result is displayed immediately that I have scored nothing, and I will be redirected to the view progress, the page which is available in the dashboard itself, but it will be available from here also. Before, my total questions were 20, now it's 21. In that I have answered again wrong, so my quiz percentage has decreased and the wrong answers will be available with the correct option and the improvement tips I need to do on my subject. Let me go back and show you something else also. View progress. This is the same page we visited once again. I will visit it once again so you can see that. Here you can see the same thing, the total number of quizzes attempted by me and the average answer correct given by me and the percentage and the improvement tips for my bad answering. Coming back to giving feedback to the teacher. As I already given the feedback in the previous page and the teachers portal, you can see here itself there is a teacher called as Ram Kapoor taking a subject Python. I can rate him based on his needs and his teaching level and submit the feedback. So this was for the teachers and students side dashboard. Thank you for watching. If you want the source code of this web app, I need you to subscribe my channel and comment me source code. I will provide it for you so that it will be not misused by anyone else. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel so that it gives me some inspiration to do much more projects like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.